Hey friends, check out this amazing Darth Vader from Return of the Jedi facing the Emperor's wrath. Lord Vader's giving us some crazy Skeletor vibes with this translucent helmet. This figure highlights that critical moment in Return of the Jedi where Darth Vader destroys Emperor Palpatine, and that in itself proves that there was still some good in him. You can actually see the damage being inflicted on Vader from the Force lightning.
You were right. Tell your sister you were right.
Thanks for watching this review of the Emperor's Wrath with Darth Vader. Like and follow for more.